everybody. I'm gonna try something a little different today. You know, my RV is way back there. I don't know if you can see it from there, probably not, but every day I go out for a hike and I like to try different things. Sometimes I talk about my hike, sometimes I just show off some of the places I'm going. But today I decided I'm gonna do what I call the black and white challenge. I'm gonna shoot everything in black and white, some photos for you, and share them with you, and get a different sense of what it's like to be out here in a state park on a hike, just enjoying the beauty, but from a very particular kind of a view. Check it out. Tell me what you think. So there you have it, some black and white photos of the hike today. Whether it's black and white or color, it is absolutely beautiful and great to be out in the wilderness. I hope you like the photos. I may try this again sometime, try to find some more interesting things to show you, both black and white and in color. One of the things I like about being in an RV when it's raining is that I'm inside and everything's dry. Oh yeah, even the bathroom that I fixed still staying dry. Good job resealing. I think it's going to be an interesting night. Maybe watch a couple movies. Okay, so it's raining again, and you may remember the last time it was raining in my RV. There was pouring water coming out. I went up on the roof, resealed it. Take a look. It's working. Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and it is very early in the morning, and the reason why it's early in the morning is because I live in Florida for the most part, and I have to start the days very early if I'm going to work on this RV outside, because it gets so hot you can't work on it outside. So today we're going to get some stuff done here on the rig. In particular, you may remember a while back I had a problem with some rain and some leaks in my shower. Oh no. Got a major problem. This thing is leaking. You know, rain in your RV is never good. A leak is always bad, so I had to figure out how to fix it. So I went online, trusty YouTube, checked out a lot of different solutions on how to possibly fix it. So this is what that top looks like. So this is the lap sealant that everyone is using, Dicor product, self-leveling. I'm gonna snip the tip here in a little bit, use my caulk gun for the very first time, and then level out everything along all of the seams. All right, let's try this. I've never done anything like this. Should be fun. The process is kind of like, well, piping out frosting on a cake, if you've ever done that, or maybe eaten a cake. It's not that hard. Okay, it says that's it. Hopefully this all will work, and next time it rains, there won't be anything inside the rig. No leaks all the way around. The sealing is working. Now, I know a lot of folks had some concerns about whether or not I did it correctly, sealing the inside. Again, I mentioned that I used the same way the guy from Dicor fixed his sealing, and I went with the sealant over it. If I have to go back at some point and reseal everything, I will take off everything, but right now it's holding up. It's pouring down rain now, and I'm just glad I was able to get up there and do it before we had some more rain. I love fish, and tonight I'm going to do something that I love to do. It's a cedar planked salmon fillet on the grill with some asparagus. Hope you like it. So now that I have everything in the bowl, you want to mix it up, get it nice and incorporate it, because this is all going to go on top of the fish. Now the plank has been soaking in water just about an hour or so, so you want to get that out, put it on here, because that's where your fish is going to go. Once the plank is on the plate, you want to take your fish out, then take some of the dry rub, put it all over. Leave a little out because you're going to use some of this for the asparagus. And then you put a little bit of thyme on both. And then a little bit of dill on both. This is also where if I had some lemon, I'd put the lemon on there. And there you go. Plank ready fish. Let's put it on the grill. Put the coals to the side, and that will allow it to cook on indirect heat. And here you go. Plank on. You want to cover it up. I'm going to let it on for about 5 or 7 minutes. Check it. It shouldn't take much longer than 10 to 15 minutes to get this fish all cooked up. Now, to get the asparagus ready for the grill, all you want to do is cut them off, rub it down with a little olive oil, and then get your spices on there. So let's do it. Okay, let's check the salmon, see how it's coming along. Okay, let's open it up. It's coming along really, really nice. I'm going to leave it on there for another 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, there you go. Perfect fish. Time to get it off the grill, put on the asparagus. And there you go, the cedar planked salmon with grilled asparagus. Let's test it up. Perfect. And the asparagus is good too. Oh, I love to eat on the road. Can you tell? You can too. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me on social media all over at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow my blog at RVJedeye.com. Hey, you don't have to be an RVer or a chef to do either. Get out there, have some fun, create something, and share it. Who knows? Maybe I'll make it here in the RV one day. Go out there and have some fun.